What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, welcome back, and there was not a video in a long time, but today when I bought a new DJ controller, the price was so high, they gifted me items, so I got one item for free. Let's unbox it and see if it's good. Okay, so here we are, we have double battery AA, because we have short manual instructions. We have, what the heck is this? AUX into the AUX cable, and I think that's a bracelet, I'm not sure. I think, oh, it's for carrying the bag. Then you have a cool microphone, I already saw that when you open it up. You have for two AA batteries. Okay, I'm gonna do this a bit later. Then you have a charging port, and basically for charging. Let's put this behind, and here we go. Seems big, right? Okay, so let's see if the power is on. I'm gonna turn on the power. Oh, here it goes. So we have, I think there's three colors, red, green, blue. Okay, so let's see. This is the microphone. We're gonna shortly unopen it. Here we go. I'm gonna put each into the one. So this, as far as I understand, it's more made for singing. That's it, the last one. Let me see if it works. Hello? Yep, it works. Right away. So let's see, we have maybe microphone volume. So the light works exactly. Okay, yeah, it works perfectly. So you even have the AUX in case, but this is now for carrying. So I'm gonna just try right away if it's worth it or not. One here. So yeah, you have like portable speaker. Now the microphone works exactly when you open it up and you put battery inside. Yeah, works perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna just turn off the microphone. Now that's cool combo. You basically can go anywhere you'd like, and you can simply put music. If you have the AUX on your iPhone, when you get a adapter, you can easily just put music. It says that I think it's 12 or 8 hours of time when you fully charge it. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, you have charging, you have AUX, you have microphone, and you need two batteries for the microphone. Okay, so that's it. I think I'm gonna keep it. I mean, I could easily sell it on eBay or something because it comes for free. But yeah, let's turn the batteries off. Okay, let's see. Okay, so hopefully you learned something new. Maybe it's good, bad, maybe you're gonna buy it. Who knows? The price is low. My name is Nejc Filipič. See you next time. Goodbye.